I am working on my drawer strategy video I keep promising you. But here's a quick video today about this basket that holds cords. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure this is not an original idea. This is just my implementation of what's probably not an original idea. This is very functional, works very well, solves a lot of problems for me. And since this is such a basic idea, it can be a lot of things. It can be a cord holder that you can put stuff in, chargers and whatnot, as I have it set up here. It can be an upside down one of these, where you can mount stuff on top of it. You can then wear it as a hat and have all the right cords for all the right people whenever they need them. Could be a cord holder that jumps over its own supplies. It can be a lot of things, but it can't be you. Only you can be you. Supplies. Scissors, elastic that's about 1 inch, maybe 3/4 wide. And the basket, I bought a 2-pack of these from Walmart for $8 or $9, something like that. Pretty cheap, durable, has wire running through here. Perfect for this task. And if you buy these from Walmart based on my recommendation, I'd really appreciate if you'd use my affiliate barcode before scanning. That way I get a little bit of a kickback at no extra cost to you. But I'll also put a link below to the Amazon model that looks pretty similar. I'm gonna cut this long and not stretched. Something like that. I'll do another one about the same length. I'm starting the second row up. I found that to be a really good sort of placement for these cord holders on the outside and the top row on the inside. Oh no, I did the bottom. I don't want it on the bottom. Redo. Whew. Oh no. No problem. The Dremel glue pen heats up very fast. It doesn't output a whole lot, but it does get a little bit of glue really hot. Really fast. All right, fixed. I don't really want it super tight because each time you put a cord in, it's gonna tighten everything else. It's best to have it where it's just kind of not loose. And if you haven't seen the TED Talks about how to tie your shoes, I highly recommend it. Been doing the first part wrong. And that's why my shoes were coming untied. Pretty. To keep it uniform, I went around the corner here, behind the wire and underneath the strap. Scoot this part down and those parts over, fold it and go through. Pull it underneath. There's gotta be a cooler way to do this, but this is the way I know. Done. Even without much tension, it's still able to hold really skinny cables, yet also has enough room to hold the larger ones. Doesn't have to be as narrow as the weave. Putting these little adapter things on the inside, so if it happens to fall out, it's at least in the basket. But so far I've been able to shake it around quite a bit and nothing's gone anywhere. I outfitted 2 baskets. I'll start with this one here, which is sort of the general charging stuff basket. MacBook Air, tripod, GoPro batteries, iPhone, watch, some headphones, and a power bank, and then of course the common cables. This charger is actually charging the MacBook Air, GoPro, watch, and iPhone all at once. If you're ever shopping for chargers, this one's a good one. I'll put a link below. This weekend we're going to a hotel. Plan is to fill this with socks, just throw that in the suitcase, and everything will stay put. The second basket is set up for the recording stuff that I take to and from the garage. Sometimes I do recording in the garage, sometimes voiceovers at my desk inside. Go see my Holy Desk video. So now everything kind of has its own place. The space is defining itself.